You're watching NBC for New York. This is News for New York.
A new law promises extra jail time to those who target some of the most vulnerable New Yorkers, senior citizens. But not everyone agrees it'll be effective or even fair. Michael Gargiulo joins us with more.
Well, Sue, this was sparked by several attacks on elderly women last year that shocked the city. Now, the goal here is to make criminals think twice about taking advantage of someone who might not be able to defend themselves. But critics argue while it's politically popular, it may not be legally sound.
It's still difficult to watch the surveillance video of a 101-year-old Rose Murat being viciously beaten and robbed by the same man, police say, who then assaulted an 85-year-old woman a half hour later. 45-year-old Jack Rhodes was arrested for the attacks. And today, outrage turned into action.
We are here today to do something very important. It is to protect the vulnerable, to protect the seniors who are preyed upon by predators.
Governor Patterson signed Granny's Law. It hikes the prison time from the current 1 year to up to 7 years if the victim of an assault is 65 or older and the assailant is at least 10 years younger.
That is certainly a much more fitting penalty and hopefully a real deterrent to those who are heartless enough to prey upon the elderly.
The idea of protecting senior citizens is popular.
They can't defend themselves as, like a young person could, to fight back. So I think there should be harsher penalties for that.
But a defense attorney says there's a danger when the law treats people differently.
Where does it end? If you're going to protect seniors in one way, well then why don't you protect certain ethnic groups in another way? Why not gay people in another way, or people who go to church in a different way?
And he insists Granny's Law is not needed, arguing suspects typically face multiple charges. He says Rhodes has more than 30 counts against him.
The thought that if he had been charged with one more crime, 33 or 34 crimes, it would have made a difference? No, it wouldn't have deterred anything.
Supporters, though, point out there is precedent for this. Other laws mandate harsher penalties for assaulting police officers, for example, and hate crime legislation allows for stiffer sentences for anyone convicted of attacking someone because they're a member of a particular ethnic or social group. Chuck, back to you.